This is my first time making a video like this. I just thought I'd make it and get some comments. Anyway, I play TF2 and I love hats. I'm sorry, I just get so emotional that whenever I think of hats and all the hats that go on war. I just love hats. It doesn't matter what the hat is, the handyman's handle, Z goggles. I'm sorry. Anyway, there's TF2. I love to just go around and capture points. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about the hats again. All those hats that people don't wear. I just sit in the backpack. I love all hats. Unusual, vintage, or just the normal hat, a genuine hat. It doesn't matter. They're all hats. But I'm sorry. So I play TF2 and I was just looking for a match, a server, and this is my first time making one of these videos. I just love hats.